Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Discord stuck on gray screen. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type a percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here you just need to find a Discord folder, just right click on it and select delete it. If Discord is running in the background, then click on the system tray, right click on the Discord and select quit Discord. Now select try again. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here and open up Discord. Now we have cleared the cache data guys, so you need to log back in. After logging your account, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.